Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a nice easy lemon curd recipe. For this recipe you're going to need 4 simple ingredients. Lemon juice, castor sugar, unsalted butter, 3 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk. Like I said before, this is a very simple recipe, so all you need is 200 ml of lemon juice in a bowl. You can use the easy squeezed lemon juice you buy from the supermarket, or you can squeeze some lemons, that's entirely up to you. You're going to put the sugar, which is 160 grams, into the bowl. And you're going to put the butter, which is 100 grams, into the bowl. Preferably at room temperature, so all of it is weighed out nicely into the same bowl with the lemon juice. Behind me, I have a pan of water on the fire, just getting warm up to the simmer, so I can rest my heat-proof bowl on top. As you can see, my water's coming to the simmer. Now I'm going to put this heat-proof bowl on top with the lemon juice, butter and the sugar inside. And then you need a whisk, and all you need to do is melt the butter in the lemon juice and the sugar. And once the butter is melted, now as you can see, all the lemon juice, sugar and the butter has been incorporated, all the butter has been melted into the nice heat-proof bowl. Everything's ready to go. Now with the eggs, and like I said before, it's 3 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk. You want to give them a little mix up together, just to incorporate and break them up a little bit. Nothing too major. And then don't be scared. Just pour all this egg into this lemon juice, butter and sugar mix. This is what makes it so easy. You can pour it all in, and all you got to do is cook it out. Now you can make this with other juices. I have made it with apple juice, I have made it with orange juice, and I have made it with pineapple juice before. You keep all the ratios the same, and you just cook it out a little bit longer. So for the pineapple juice, you just cook it out just a little bit more than you would the lemon, just so it thickens a little bit more. But other than that, you can try whatever fruit you want. Now just keep cooking this out until it thickens now. You don't have to stand there and stir it. You can just leave it on the stove nice and slowly, and every now and then give it a little mix, and once it's cooked, it's ready. Probably been about 5 minutes, and this is thickened up quite nicely now. If the water does start to boil a bit too much, just turn down just a little bit, just to control the heat a bit. Now as you can see, I've just whisked it a couple of times in the cooking process, nothing too much. Now as you can see now, we move from the whisk to the spatula. As you can see now, it's just starting to thicken, just like coating the back of the spoon consistency. As you run your finger through it, it's just thick enough, it doesn't run through itself. Now it's almost there. Now you can have it a bit thicker if you like, you can have it a bit thinner if you like. If you want to leave it as it is, just let it cool now naturally and it'll be perfectly fine. If you want it thicker, like I do, just cook it out a little bit more, just so it thickens up a little bit more. Now lemon curd is cooked the way I like it, a bit thicker. Now it probably took max 8 to 10 minutes to cook it a little bit more. So that's 5 minutes on normal cooking, and if you want it a bit thicker, it's 8 to 10 minutes altogether. Now what I'm going to do is scrape this into a normal container, just to cool down. Look at that, nice thick lemon curd, delicious. So now what we do is let it cool naturally. Don't put it in your fridge, because it will alter the temperature of your fridge and turn all the rest of your food in your fridge off. Let it cool naturally. The best way to do that though is just get a little bit of baking paper or greaseproof paper. If you haven't got any of this, cling film is equally as good. Just do a couple of layers of cling film and just place this on top and just push it down, just like that, so it doesn't form a skin. And this will just help you cool your lemon curd without it having a nasty skin on top. And when you finish with it, you just whip that bit off, put it into a preserve jar or a Kilner jar or something like that, and put it in your fridge. And voila, a nice easy lemon curd, less than 5 to 10 minutes to make, 4 simple ingredients. It couldn't be any easier than that. I hope you enjoyed this video guys, nice, simple, nice and easy. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell so you don't miss anything else on the notifications. And make sure you smash that like button. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next one.